Oh yeah, that must be car parts. Alright guys, so here we've got the very first rally part for the car. So let's open it up. Whoa, 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 whoa. You don't even know what the car is yet. Hello, Internet. What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you the brand new car we just bought. It's actually a 2018 Honda Fit Sport, and we're going to use it for rallycross. Alright guys, so here it is, 2018 Honda Fit. We bought it with 17 miles, and it's got just under 1,200 right now. So let's check it out. Okay, so let me tell you about why I chose the Fit. It was pretty cheap. We got 0 down, 1.9% APR, and paid less than $19,000 for it. So it's a good, reliable Honda that we can drive across the state to do rallycross events. So we've already started ordering our rallycross parts. That's what you saw me unboxing. But you have to wait for the next video to find out what that was. We're gonna be able to enter in the SCCA CFR rallycross events here in Florida. And hopefully we'll do pretty well. We got this one because Lunar Silver was the only color option that they had besides orange, and we didn't really want orange, so we got the Lunar Silver in Sport trim. So we have the red color accents, the diffuser in the back, the red stitching in the seats and the steering wheel. We got the touchscreen radio, and it's 6-speed manual. So it's a lot of fun to drive. It gets great gas mileage with the 1.5 liter Earth Dreams engine. And it's going to be a great race car. The channel here, as you know, is called Sliding from Scratch, and that's because we're going to start from nothing. We got a brand new car here that's not meant to be rallied, and we're going to drive it in the dirt. So the channel is going to focus on how to get there. We're going to take this car and turn it into a race car, and I'll show you every step of the way. Alright, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one to find out what was in the UPS box and find out how to install it. I'll see you next time.